Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to fix 400 banned request on Chrome. A 400 banned request error in Google Chrome typically occurs when the request sent to the server is incorrect or corrupted, often due to issues with the URL cookies or other web browser data. There are several methods to fix the issue. Some are refreshing the page by clicking F5, clear browser or cache cookies. You can do it by going to settings, privacy and security, clear browser data, cookies and other sites, then click on clear data. Disable browser extension. Some browser extension can interfere with web page and cause a 403 error. Go to three-dot menu, more tools, extensions, disable all extensions, then try accessing the site. If the site work re-enables the extension one by one, find the culprit. Try a different browser or a device. Try accessing the site on a different browser or device to determine if the problem is too specific to Chrome. Wait and try again later. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.